Dear students, let's see another 2 questions for the NEET practice in physics on the topic units and measurements. For whatsoever things were written aforetime were written for our learning. So let's dig into and learning. Our first question today is 1. If force F, acceleration a and time t are taken as fundamental quantities, then the dimensions of energy are a squared t, b f a t squared, c f squared t, d f a to the power minus 1, t to the power minus 1. So what's the correct answer? Stop and try it. Okay, now let's see it. Energy equals force to the power alpha, a to the power beta, t to the power gamma, m to the power 1, l to the power 2, t to the power minus 2, equals mlt to the power minus 2, the whole to the power alpha into lt to the power minus 2, the whole to the power beta into t to the power gamma. Therefore, m to the power 1, l to the power 2, t to the power minus 2, equals m to the power alpha into l to the power alpha plus beta into t to the power minus 2 alpha minus 2 beta plus gamma. The value for alpha equals 1. Substitute the value of alpha in. Alpha plus beta equals 2. So beta equals 1. Now substitute the value of both alpha and beta in. Minus 2 alpha minus 2 beta plus gamma equals minus 2. So gamma equals 2. Therefore, energy equals F to the power 1, A to the power 1, T to the power 2. So the correct option is B. Now let's go to the second question. The energy required to break one bond in DNA is 10 to the power minus 20 J. This value in EV is nearly A. 0.006, B. 6, C. 0.6, D. 0.06. Find the correct answer. Okay, let's proceed. Energy E equals 10 to the power minus 20 divided by electron E. That is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. When it is solved, the answer is 0.0625 electron volt eV. So the correct option is D. Hope you might have understood the 2 questions. If you did not understand it, then rework it till you get full confidence on it. Thank you.